Hi everyone, welcome to JavaScript Daily Channel. Today we are going to talk about one topic in React by the name of event. An event is an action that could be triggered as a result of the user action of or system generated event. For example, a mouse click, a loading of a web page, processing a key, window resizes, and their interaction are called event. React has its own event handling system which is very similar to handling event on DOM element. The React event handling system is known as cinematic events. The cinematic event is a cross browser wrapper of the browser's native event. We have a handling event with React have some synthetic difference from handling event on DOM, and these are one of them is React event or name it as camel kiss instead of a lower kiss. And the next one with J6 function is passed as an event handler instead of string. Event handler instead of string. But event declaration in plain HTML button we can say hi. We have on click like this, show message, but we have in React also event declaration in React button say hi, and we have on click like this, show message. We declare event in React like this. In React we cannot return false to prevent a default behavior. We must call prevent default event explicitly to prevent the default behavior. For example, in HTML they have like this, declare a tag, click me, we have href on click, now console dot log, we have write you had click a link, and we are at return false. In React we can write like this. First, inside of it we return attack, again click me, href, we have on click, handle click. Now we call this function here, function name handle click, and we give no parameters. Now we use this one here, handle click. Inside of that we write one event e dot prevent default, and we write alert or document dot write you had clicked. Okay. Now if we click here, you can see you had clicked a link. It was about cinematic event in HTML and in React. Now we clean this and we also omitted this too. Now we have an example used only component and adding on change event. And this event will trigger the change text function, which returns the company name. We write here first one, each one by the name of sample event example. We have one label. Inside of label we have write enter the company name, and we have one input. We use the types text, and inside of that nothing. We bring change, and the end we have again one h4. You enter it. Let's have give some style for this. I use from Tailwind CSS framework. If you don't know about Tailwind CSS, I have a video on my channel. You can see how to import the library of framework Tailwind CSS in React. You can see that. Now we give a class, use text dash to Excel, and p padding bottom dash 10. Yes, you can see. Now we give the label text dash one Excel and font dash bold. Also we give some style in input. They have padding dash 3 around it, and bg dash green dash 20. Yes, you can see. Now again we give one style for this also. Padding top dash 5. Yes, you can see. Now we write here something, and it should be handling here. Even I write anyone here, it should be right here. Okay, we use one constructor here. By the name we use props. Inside of that we use super. Inside of that also we use props, and this dot state equal to company name equal to that. But we have one function here in input. We use on click on change. What? Change this dot change dot bind. This dot change text. This dot change text dot bind and again inside we use this. Now we use the function, the onChange function here. Change text dash event. Inside of that we have this dot set state. Inside of that we have company name equal to event dot target dot value. Now render here, and this dot set this dot state dot company name. If I write here JavaScript, there you can see every changes I bring here also changed. For example, welcome to JavaScript daily channel. Yes, thank you. It was about React event topics, and see you soon in the next video. Goodbye.